Well, this morning things started off on a cloudy note and we just stayed cloudy all day long, and our temperatures haven't changed that much from the morning either. We're into the 30s now, and we didn't top off above the 30s in most areas today. So it's been a cool one. 36 degrees in Fargo. Currently it's 35 in Grand Forks. Keep in mind our averages this time of year, our average highs in the upper 50s to near 60 degrees, and we were nowhere near that. So temperatures holding steady. We've got very light wind, at least. That hasn't been too much of a problem. We've got calm reports coming in from the northeast. The rest of us seeing wind speeds up to 13 miles per hour in Devil's Lake. That wind coming in mainly out of the east or northeast here tonight. So looking at some mostly cloudy skies here in the valley. We are not seeing those low-level clouds very well on our infrared satellite picture, but you can see the higher cloud tops, the colder cloud tops here. Devil's Lake, Grand Forks, the thicker clouds affecting you and back over toward Bismarck. And expanding the view, we really aren't seeing much difference here too. So that's the good news for those who were getting a little bit bogged down by the rain and the snow. We've had a nice break from that, and that will continue for the next 12 hours or so. Things will be changing though coming up in the forecast. So here's a look at our hour-by-hour planner tonight. Through the overnight hours, those clouds kind of keep our temperatures steady. We'll end up through the overnight hours dipping a few degrees into the upper 20s to some low to mid 30s tomorrow morning to start out. If we do get some breaks in the clouds, that's where our temperatures will cool down more, but it's also where we'll see a little bit of sunshine to start off the day tomorrow once that sun comes up. We're looking at some light wind again, and heading into the late morning and noon hour, you can expect those temperatures to rise and finally getting into some 40s for the day, which is still well below average, but at least it's on our way up into some low 40s at lunch, and then into the afternoon we're seeing some numbers into some mid to some upper 40s for highs today, or for tomorrow rather. And then you can see what's happening. This is 5 o'clock. We're starting to see some green showing up on the map in the southwest, and that will gradually start working its way into the later hours for Sunday night and overnight, with perhaps a little snow mixing in out west. And this just carries over through Monday, and we've got a wet week ahead. This is through Friday. Now, it's not necessarily going to rain for you every day, or snow. That's possible, but the potential is there. We're looking at another inch to maybe 2 inches of moisture with this system. Here's a look at our photo today. Sabrina calls this when worlds collide, the fall conditions mixing with some wintry weather in Clearbrook. And we're looking at some fall conditions mixed with wintry weather in our 7-day planner. By Wednesday, this moisture could be switching over to snow at that point. It does clear out by the end of the week. We get some sunshine on Friday.
Okay, good. It is weird to see the leaves changing and snow on the ground.
Yeah, it's been a weird mix. And you know, all that heavy snow that fell was still on those leaves or trees that still have leaves on them. And that helped to bring down branches yesterday because of that. So kind of a crazy mix right now.
It really is. Okay, thank you, Lisa.